Let's see if I can catch him pushing those buttons. It's hilarious. What he does the whole time I push him around. He rides and I slave away. Isn't that great music? I dream of that at night when I go to bed. Hey Jake, does your radio play anything else? Huh? Hey, does your radio play anything else? You like the station? Hey babies. Hey, does your radio play anything else? I like country. Does it play country? Hey. Hey, does your radio play country? You like rock and roll? Oh, okay. Alright, well we're going to continue to push. Jake? Can you say bye-bye? Oh, okay. Are you going to show it? There you go. There's the lip and the runny nose. What we love. I know. Is there something else on the other side of that fence? Huh? What do you want for dinner? Now, it doesn't matter to you? Oh, okay. I'll continue to push. You said bye-bye? Huh? Jakey, say bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.